Good day and welcome to our journey. Now we are here in the end of Palestine in our friend, and that is the PO part. We will try to find truck in this area. So together with Brad, MTV and Biggs Patangins and Cyrudel, and also the Red Sea Cargo. So we will now unload our bike and we will try to find the trail in this area. So join us in our journey this afternoon. We will now unload our bike. So thank you for joining us in this afternoon. So in this place you can find also some istiraha. The word istiraha from Arabic means you rest or you relax. So that also the top of the mountain is the resort area or rest area. It's called istiraha, and we will go in that area and find there's some kind of water structures in this place.
Love is like a roller coaster, but I'm trying to hold on. I don't want it to stop. Even though we fight sometimes and it feels like a war.
So this area is new and we can find some vegetation, and also still there is a car going in this area. So downhill now, but it's very dusty, and also it's left.
Broken, girl, I can't forget about what we said. I just wanna love you a little bit more.
Sakit ng kuryente. Hindi siya ground wall, kuryente talaga, masakit eh. Oh.
Baby, pull me closer now before it's over. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Oh.
We add air in the bike of Mr. Beans, and we will go on that uphill part. So this is new in our area. So come on, let's go this continue this ride.
I care about you. How do you move on when everything goes wrong? I'm trying to find a way to get you out my head.
So the trail is sandy, and also there is a kind of rock, but I don't think there's a bike going on this trail.
Wait for me to close the door. Baby, pull me closer now before it's over. I just wanna love you a little.
So we're trying to find out this trail. We can find some uphill in this place.
How do you move on when everything is wrong?
So there's kind of vast vegetations over here, and still we cannot find the bike trail here, but we will continue on that area.
About what you said, I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me to close the door. Baby, pull me closer now before it's over. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Oh.
It is very exciting, and you feel more enjoyable when you have a trail that you don't know where to go. You just go with the flow of the biking. Now the experience here is like a static from this electric pool. So we will enjoy this no mountain bike trail. It is a random trail here in Jeddah, but still we have fun.
Still hear it, a distant brawl.
kind of desert place.
Run around in an empty space. Behind every door I see a face. Wet with tears is my pillowcase. I believe the words you said.
So we found here some kind of bodies of water. We'll try to look nearer in that area.
Can you help me conceive it? I'm just waiting to be found.
So this is dry and desert place, but many bodies of water.
I can't sway in the middle, live life in a riddle. I can't stand.
So we are here in the lake part, and we can see the water is very clear, and there's some kind of small fish we found in this lake, and over there will be the birds and also kind of shrubs in this area. So it's a very good place to go here, even though we don't know what is the name of this place. So we will try to explore, continue, and let's go. A nice and great experience here in this lake. This is not the PU lake, and we still don't know what the name of this lake, but we have so much refreshment and unwinding in this area. So we will still continue on that part. What we can see is together here in the mountainous part of Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Time is 6:23 in the afternoon, and still the sun is not that set. So we will still continue and find another way in this place. We will try to cross this water to go to another road. So this is pure sand, so it's very difficult. Our tires is getting down. Okay, so there's a truck. So there's some kind of smell stagnant water, but the water is clear. So I wait for my companion, 3 of them, to cross in this part, and in the back of us will be the cement mixing plant. So again, we will wait for them and we will continue this ride to that area. This is a different water structures, and it's not clear. The color is like maroon and very creepy. This water. It's like a dead lake, and the color of the water is brown in this area. It looks very creepy and mysterious. Okay, so we will go over there. So there's very good area, and we found also the wild dog over here. We will hope that this dog will not attack us.
Take me wherever, but I'll stay for you.
Sometimes biking in more random things is more enjoyable than you have planned.
The sun won't shine through.
is begin the extreme area, but it's really good.
I was gonna go outside, wait it out with you, wait it out with They said to me, don't let them get you, they got me.
So the terrain is very sandy, and we have a physical part, and also the plant here is have thorn.
Go outside to wait it out with you. I was gonna go outside, wait it out with you.
It's a vast desert area under the mountain, and this also have many vegetation, and we will continue on that part to go again to our friend's house. So come on.
To waste her time when it's time for you. You waited outside for the worst to pass. I was gonna go outside to wait it out with you. Oh, waited outside for the
Okay.
worst to pass. I was gonna go outside to wait it out with you. I wish you'd stay, but there you go. I have so much I wanna say to you, much I wanna say, but there's no time. We used it all, still have so much I
So it's uphill that area, and also very sandy.
There you go, walking out that door. It felt so close, close, closer than it felt before. And yeah, I know that I always hurt your feelings. Yeah, I know that you'll never be forgiven.
So it is a bit early, and time is already 6:48 in the evening, and we will reach our loop station. So we will continue until we get to our friend's house.
There is so much that I would change about the way I treated you. I don't deserve a second chance. I know that.
So this is elevation, and they are very difficult to climb. And until here, our journey this morning in random ride here in Jeddah mountain side. So let's go.
Always hurt your feelings. Yeah, I know that you'll never be forgiving me, and I just want you to know I didn't mean it. Baby, I just wanna